In today's video, I'll show you how to add buffer time in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want to avoid back-to-back appointments and give yourself extra time between sessions, buffer time is the perfect solution. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Appointment Types section from the left side menu. This is where you manage all your services. Now select the appointment type where you want to add buffer time. Click Edit to open its settings. Scroll down until you find the Scheduling options. Here, you will see the buffer time settings. You can add buffer time before the appointment, after the appointment, or both. For example, you can set a 10-minute buffer before each session so you have time to prepare, or a 15-minute buffer after each session to wrap up notes or take a break. Next, choose the exact amount of buffer time you want by entering the number of minutes. After setting it, save your changes. Now, Acuity will automatically block that extra time around each appointment so clients cannot book back-to-back sessions. This is very useful for coaches, consultants, service providers, or anyone who needs breathing room between appointments. Before finishing, go back to your calendar view and test your booking page to make sure the buffer time is working correctly. You should now see gaps between appointments based on the buffer settings you applied. And that's it. You've successfully added buffer time in Acuity Scheduling and improved your daily schedule flow. And that's how you add buffer time in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.